Hey, my friend, how's it going? I'm here to tell you the secret of how to talk to everyone perfectly as an introvert. The only thing you need to hear is a couple of words that I'm going to tell you till the end of the video. Or maybe we need to have the conversation you may not like to have, my friend. But don't worry, I got you, my friend. As an introverted person myself, I've experienced everything that's on your mind right now because you know that. It takes so much time to not run out of words or topics to talk to, but I know and I can smell it. You somehow like to talk with people sometimes, right? But you just can't. It's so embarrassing when we think about when we were a child. It wasn't that hard to find friends and socializing together. The problem isn't that introverts don't have things to say. It's that our brains work differently in social situations. We overthink. We analyze. We fear sounding awkward. According to psychologist Lori Helgo, introverts process information more deeply, making conversations feel more intense than they actually are. Yep, my friend, you are doing all of it unconsciously without even realizing it. But it's not your fault, it's who you are. We are the analyzer, the thinker. Sometimes it's our superpower, sometimes it drains us and makes us feel more stressed. And we often lead to have an awkward, unforgettable moment. Like, bro, why the hell this dude is talking like that? Have you ever talked to anyone before? It just started with one simple sentence and it turned like literally a disrespect to that person. This is why socializing feels draining. We put so much mental effort into it. But here's the secret. You don't have to change your personality to be a great communicator. You just need to shift your approach. So these are 3 simple secrets you need to know and do to have a genuine and engaging conversation to lead starting and having friendships or even relationships. Quick request, I want you to do something, my friend. Don't get bothered. I don't want you to subscribe my channel or something. I want you to picture yourself as this person till the end of the video to understand what I'm going to tell you. And if you don't like tie on you, just accept it or leave the video. Just kidding, my friend. I'll help you through it. Secret number 1, be the mirror, not the spotlight. There's this guy I knew. Let's call him you. He was quiet, always in the background at social events. But here's the thing, people love talking to him. They'd tell him their life stories, open up about their struggles, and even seek his advice. But he barely talked about himself at all. See, this little conversation could just lead to one of your houses or some coffee or new place, and you could just end up being friends and help each other in different situations. So what was his secret? He mirrored the other person's energy. He made them feel seen. And according to psychology, people are naturally drawn to those who reflect their emotions back at them. This is called the mirror effect. Next time you're in a conversation, try this. Instead of thinking about what you should say next, focus on the other person's emotions. Are they excited, curious, confused? Reflect that in your tone and response. You'll be surprised how fast people open up. I get it. This may seem just like another simple and non-informative videos. You've seen yourself as this introvert guy who don't like others' company or opens up something with a stranger or one of his classmates. If you are struggling and feeling lonely, then that's a danger alert to get out of your comfort zone and socializing. Like I said in the beginning, I am a freaking introvert person myself, and I have experienced everything that is on your mind. So trust me, we are humans, not some little owl in the woods with ages of disconnected life with others. See? That's it. Simplified. Live simple and you'll understand the game. But let's add a deeper explanation, like a real conversation example.
So, what do you do for fun? I don't know. I guess I watch movies and stuff. What about you?
And the second conversation.
So, what do you do for fun?
Pauses for 2 seconds, then smiles slightly.
I've been getting into photography. There's something about capturing a moment that just makes time slow down, you know?
That 2-second pause changes everything. It makes your words feel more real, more intentional. So don't rush to fill the silence. Let it breathe. Because when you do, people lean in. As you are learning this trick, this is a power in conversational speaking, which all professional speakers use this in office, important conferences and events. What you have learned in this video till here was first, be the mirror, not the spotlight, and the power of honest pause. The last secret is the most important one, which I use it myself a lot, and you can clearly see the impact in your conversation times. Here's the problem. Most conversations feel shallow because people don't say what they actually mean. They just say what sounds socially acceptable. That's why small talk drains introverts. We crave depth.
How's it going? Good, you? Yeah, good.
This kills everything you wanted. So here's the second one.
How's it going? Honestly, kind of tired today. Been thinking a lot about where I'm going in life. Ever feel like that? Try this. In your next conversation, instead of giving a generic answer, say something real. Be vulnerable. Watch how differently people respond.
Here's a secret nobody talks about. What you say matters less than how you say it. You could say the most interesting thing in the world, but if your voice is flat and your energy is low, people won't care. I'm real right here, body. Even if you hit a Guinness record, people usually lean to listen to what they feel, not what they are logic about. Especially women. They listen to their feelings, not the worth of a thing. If your friend didn't feel good about your world record, then it's worth nothing. I'm sorry to say this, but don't hate me. Hate the game. If you watch till here, it means you really care about your social life. I'm glad you really do. As we are heading to the end of the video, here's a practical tip. Before a conversation, do something that boosts your energy. Listen to a song that hypes you up, take a deep breath, move. Because when your energy shifts, people feel it. This seems so normal, but trust me, remember what I said before. People feel everything and they listen to their feelings. In case if you feel invisible in groups or among your friends, this video will help you as an introvert. See you in the next one.